In 2020, accomplished Swedish theoretical physicist Dr. Johan Hansen proved that the universe was a predetermined static block universe without continuous causation in physics. The idea that the universe is a static block universe goes back to Albert Einstein's discovery in 1905 of his theory of special relativity. What's new is Dr. Hansen's proof that our universe does not possess continuous causation in physics. Without continuous causation in physics, our universe does not possess actual causes and effects. What we experience as causes and effects are actually just illusions caused by an ordering of appearance on hyperplanes of spacetime in our block universe. As an analogy, imagine a drawing of a man chopping down a tree in a flipbook. The man seems to cause the axe to hit the tree with the effect of knocking the tree over. But the cause and effect exhibited in the flipbook are actually only illusions. A block universe works in a similar way, with everything that will ever happen in the universe, past, present, and future, exhibited on stacked hyperplanes of spacetime. The experience of time for us is only an illusion like a flipbook, except that we are the drawings and the universe is a static block that is not flipped. The consequences of Dr. Hansen's proof are enormous for our understanding of the universe. The most important consequence is that God must exist. Because the universe does not possess continuous causation in physics, then something must have caused it to exist outside of time. Our particular universe is only one of 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 123 possible permutations. Because we have no scientific evidence that any of these other universes exist, let alone all of them, we can reasonably assume that our universe was created and these other universes were not. But our universe would likely have been created as a whole block universe outside of time. The creator of our universe would have to know of and understand all the advanced technologies predetermined to exist in our block universe. Therefore, our creator would have to be supremely intelligent in order to create our block universe with all its advanced technologies. In other words, God must be real. There are many other important consequences of Dr. Hansen's proof. First, it is reasonable to believe that Christianity is true because God predetermined Christianity to be the predominant world religion about Him. Second, everything that happens in the universe is predetermined by God. Third, the focus of Christianity should be on bodily resurrection. Ghosts can't be real because the conscious mind must be part of the predetermined universe and therefore cannot be an immaterial ghost. For example, the movement of your body being part of the physical universe must be predetermined. But this means that your conscious thoughts to move your body must also be predetermined in order for your body movements to be predetermined. Because ghosts cannot be real, then karma, reincarnation, and Buddhism are all false. Fourth, God's objective morality, as told to us by Jesus Christ, supersedes anybody's own subjective morality. Fifth, your past, present, and future self continuously exists in our block universe. Your deceased loved ones and your future descendants are all equally present in our block universe. Heaven and hell are special other universes where you appear through bodily resurrection after death. Sixth, you do not have free will on earth because the universe is predetermined. However, God can predetermine our universe to exhibit what God already knows your freely will decisions to be, making your decisions and actions on earth a true representation of your freely will decisions. Seventh, anything that appears in the universe does not have any actual power to cause anything. Consequently, anything that appears in the universe, or even the universe itself, cannot be God, lacking any actual power to cause anything. Eighth, the laws of physics do not actually cause the universe to exist or continue to exist because there is no continuous causation in physics that would allow that to happen. The laws of physics are merely a mathematical description of the behavior of the universe, but not an actual continuous causal force of nature. God does not abandon the universe to run on its own laws of physics, but rather God predetermined the smallest detail of everything that happens in our static block universe. Ninth, miracles are extremely unusual, logically possible events that God predetermines to exist within our block universe. 10th, all your prayers and God's responses to those prayers are predetermined and exhibited in our block universe. 11th, you generally cannot know the predetermined future, so your experience of life does not change. And 12th, God cannot be smart or intelligent energy because energy does not have any actual power to cause anything, being a static appearance in the block universe. God must have the power to create physical reality, and so God cannot be smart or intelligent energy. God is an invisible, immaterial background reality with the power to create physical reality and block universes.